Jays, the Cardinals. Bunch of pretty birds out eating tonight. Still a light drizzle. Those Blue Jays had babies, and so did the Cardinals. Starlings, doves. Grosbeaks are down there. I didn't put those top feeders back up yet. I'm gonna fill them up. A new gift for my daughters for Mother's Day is the squirrel poof. Squirrel buster, they call it. Not that I don't like squirrels, I actually feed them too. But they're putting a big dent in my pocketbook with all this bird food they eat up. There's the jay picking by the door. I'll put those other ones back up tomorrow. They do draw a lot of birds. There's birds at the back feeder. There's birds down here. Cubs game just started, so I'll be watching that and enjoying the birds. That's one benefit of not having a TV for over a year. Although I've always been a bird lover. Whoop. Blackbird, the red-winged blackbirds are down there. Running in on this food. I'm gonna tip the camera down so you could see some of the ground feeders. There's a variety, a whole menagerie of different birds out on this Mother's Day. Drizzly, wet, cold Mother's Day. My cat enjoys these birds from the window. I used to breed birds. Goulion finches. Those were my favorite. I bred them and fed them because the mothers are lousy at rearing their babes. And the dads were no help. I had a Romeo and Juliet. I used to take the babies to work with me. Worked as a nurse in Chicago. Kept them in the locker room with a heater on them. And fed them every 2 hours, and the nurses would help me. Good old nursemates. I often think about them in those days and all the help they gave me with baby birds, Goulions. That's why the painted lady, they look a lot like that. I don't think you can buy them anymore. But you can see a painted lady in Florida or further South America. I am waiting for, there goes that little squirrel. I am waiting for that blue bunting to come back out tonight. I'm surprised I haven't seen it. Or it might be back there at the back. The back feeder. I know those Orioles definitely enjoyed all the oranges today back on that, inside that gazebo. I left them this morning and checked in on them midday, and sure enough, they enjoyed that orange. Look at these little wrens and sparrows and trying to fight over a feeding spot. I'm glad all my neighbors put up with me always taking pictures and cameras and videos. I've got to show you the white crane today by the pond. I'm going to turn this video off and show you the white crane. You'll love it.